Good morning, guys. This is Phon-Er vlog 98, and we are on our way to Central City to fix an iPhone 6 space gray. The order came from this company called Fixed FIXT, just like my shirt says. We got the order as a lead. They give us a lot of leads for jobs, and we give them a percentage. And so we are on our way to fix an iPhone 6 space gray, and it's in Central City, California, which is kind of like towards Beverly Hills, and we should get there in like the next 24 minutes, and we should get it taken care of. And it's in a big building. It's like a office business building, so it should be fun. I'll show you around how it goes down and how the place looks like, and the aura and everything. So stay tuned for some action coming your way. See you guys soon. Peace. Cut. Hey guys, we should be there in 3 minutes, as the GPS notes. So we should be there soon, and we'll show you how the place looks and how we just drop. So stay tuned, and we'll be back in a few seconds. Peace. Cut. Hey guys, we just got here. I will show you as soon as I park. Meantime, I have to find the parking. I'm pretty sure it's a building parking near LA. So once I get situated, I'll get back here with the repairs. So stay tuned, and it's on its way in a sec. Peace. See you guys soon. Peace. Hey guys, I'm here now. I just parked at the valet. We are driving. Should be the building right here. I guess it's a hospital. We're gonna go up right now. Okay guys, I'll see you guys inside. I don't know what's gonna be there. I'm gonna go to the lobby and ask for the person's name. She's from the Bahamas, so I don't know. The phone number is not even working. It's a international Bahamas number. So we shall see. Okay guys, I'll see you soon when I find her and the repair starts. So see you guys soon. Thank you for watching, and we'll be right back. Peace. Alright. Okay guys, I'm here. We are good. I'm at the California Rehabilitation Institute. Okay, so and then whatever I do repair, I put on video, okay. and then I put it on YouTube, so your phone is going to be famous on YouTube.
I appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for the coffee. You're so amazing. Very sweet. Okay. guys, that was it. We did iPhone 6 for Stefania, and we all finished it all good. Everything great, everything worked out. So now we're heading downstairs to go to the valet and pick up our car and go home and just do some edits for you guys to see this video. Thank you for watching this Phon-Er Gold Vlog 98, and that'll be a cut and a wrap. See you guys soon in 99. Peace, cut, the wrap.